Hello everyone. Previously I have given the first part of the decision making process. Now, in this, I will include all the remaining topics. So, let's start. Here we are going to discuss about 6 C's of decision making. Here 6C includes construct, compile, collect, compare and consider. The first C, construct, here explains a clear picture of precisely what must be decided. Means in this we have to first construct what is the problem, and according to that we have to take decision. Compile means we have to make a list of the requirements, our criteria of decision making. And then third C is collect, means we have to gather all the information on the alternatives that will meet the needs that we required. Then second last is the compare the alternatives that meets the requirement. We have to compare the alternatives so that we can take a proper decision. We have to consider means we have to look for whether it is right or wrong, the chosen alternative is right or wrong, and we have to see both the sides, positive and negative sides, to take a good decision. Now, challenges of decision making. What are the problems or challenges that we face while taking decisions and how to avoid them? So, first thing is not identifying the proper decision. First is the misidentifying the problem. We are unable to find the problem. Then second thing is we don't have enough information about the problems, and the relevant information is not present. Third thing is that is the overconfidence in outcome. We should be confident and courageous to take the decisions. Last thing is improper evaluation. Whatever the evaluation we do in the alternatives, that should be done in proper way. So these are the problems that we can face while taking decisions. Now, the important thing is management of decision making. That is decision management. It is a set of processes that aims to improve the decision making process by using all the available information to increase the precision, consistency, accuracy and ability of the decisions. मीन्स डिसीजन मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस को और बेहतर बना देता है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ गैदर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. उसकी वजह से डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस में एक्यूरेसी, प्रिसीशन और डिसीजन लेने का जो तरीका है वो इम्प्रूव होता है. The key elements of decision management are: first is the decision model and second is the decision support system. So here are some decision making models. Decision making process through a logical one is a difficult 3 basic models. First is rational and classical model, second is the administrative or bounded rationality model, and third is the retrospective decision making model. So one by one I will explain here. Rational model of decision making is also called as classical model, and the administrative decision making model is also called as the bounded rationality model, and the last is the retrospective decision making model. So your first is the rational or classical model. The rational model is the first attempt to know the decision making process. It is considered by the classical approach to understand the decision making process. So here for example कि कोई एक student है and he want to choose the streams आफ्टर 10th कि साइंस में जाना है या आर्ट्स सेक्शन में जाना है या कॉमर्स सेक्शन, कौन सा लाइन में जाना है. So in that case they take a rational or classical model of decision making process. It includes we have to just clear the problems, the objectives and goals should be clear, people agree on the criteria and weights, means evaluation process, all the alternatives are known. Here we know the alternative कि देखो मेरे को साइंस में जाना है कि कॉमर्स में जाना है कि आर्ट्स में जाना है. Here 3 alternatives are there, we know the alternatives, and in that we have to just evaluate that which will be better for us to achieve our goal, which will be better. So all consequences can be anticipated, all alternatives here are known, and decision makes are rational. Whatever the decision we take, that is rational. Now it is bonded rationality model or administrative men model. Decision making involves the achievement of a goal. Rationality demands that decision makers should properly understand the alternative courses of action for reaching the goal. ये जो मॉडल है ये मोस्टली हमारे रियल लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा एप्लीकेबल है. डिसीजन मेकिंग जो है, this model is mostly used to achieve the goal, to fulfill the objectives, and rationality here also demand that the decision maker should properly understand the alternative. पहले alternatives को यहाँ हम अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, because sometimes this happen that new alternatives are also there, but in hurry we don't look forward to the new alternatives. वहाँ पे new alternatives भी present रहते हैं, but जल्दी में रहने की वजह से या फिर courage नहीं रहता है, we don't have courage or patience to look forward, so न्यू अल्टरनेटिव के लिए वेट नहीं करते हैं और जो अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है उसी को चूज़ करके अपने गोल तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करता है. इन दैट दिस हैपन्स. हियर हर्बर्ट सिमन defines rationality in terms of objective and intelligence action. It is characterized by behavioral nexus between ends and means. If appropriate means are chosen to reach the desired ends, the decision is rational. Retrospective decision model. It is also called as implicit favorite model. It mostly focuses on how decision makers attempt to rationalize their choices after they have been made and try to justify their decision. यहाँ पे डिसीजन लेने के बाद उनको जस्टिफाई किया जाता है कि हाउ दे हैव टेकन देयर डिसीजंस. एंड दिस मॉडल हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड बाय पर्सियल बर्ग एंड ही मेड एन ऑब्जर्वेशन रिगार्डिंग द जॉब चॉइसेस प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रेजुएटिंग बिजनेस स्टूडेंट्स एंड नोटेड दैट इन मैनी केसेस द स्टूडेंट्स आइडेंटिफाइड इम्प्लिसिट फेवराइट्स. मीन्स जिस चॉइस को या जिस अल्टरनेटिव को वो चाहते थे वो उन्हें वहाँ पे मिला. Very early in recruiting and choice process, however, students continued their search for additional alternatives and quickly selected their best alternative. Students यहाँ पे फटाफट अपने additional alternatives को choose कर लेते हैं and they quickly take the decisions, very impulsively they take their decisions and select the best one. Now this is a chart of variables involved. Here models are there, that is rational model, bondedly rational model, incremental model, Garbe-Skin model, and the time pressure variation is given in between these models. What is the importance of decision making in management? First is the better utilization of resources. Available resources को properly utilize करना है. We have to face the problem and challenges, business growth, achieving objectives. It also helps to increase the efficiency, facilitates innovation, and motivates the employees. What is the importance of planning? Why planning is important in decision making? Planning is important in decision making because it increases efficiency, reduces business related risk, facilitates proper coordination, aids in organizing, gives right direction, proper direction देता है कि इस direction में हम काम करें तो successful होंगे, and keeps good control, helps to achieve the objectives, motivates the personnel, and encourages creativity and innovation, and helps in decision making process. This is the structured decision making. Here you can see that the problems are there and the objective, alternatives, consequences and trade-offs and decisions. Decision making process. Here it is given the qualitative analysis. Firstly, we have to clarify the decision problems. Then we have to make the criteria. Then identify the alternatives. Then develop a decision model. Then collect the overall data. And then make a decision. Now, what are the important points in decision making? First, the objective must be established. Then the objective must be classified and placed in order of significance. Alternative action must be developed, whatever the alternatives on which we have to do evaluation, that should be developed. After the alternative is evaluated, then we have to go for its consequences. The alternative that is able to achieve all the objectives is the tentative decision. Tentative decision is the evaluated for more possible consequences. So thank you guys for watching.